Thunderbirds, and that is magnificent. They have not made a mistake ever since the World Series playoffs started back with the New York Bombers. They have gone right on through, and the first game of the World Series with the Chicago Hawks, they smashed El Fabuloso and the Chicago Hawks. And here again, in the second game of the World Series, we have the T-Birds in a very, very high control of the game. They look fantastic. And I can see here why the experts have picked the Los Angeles T-Birds to win it in 4 straight games, Dick.
Well, Jim, if the T-Birds perform that miracle, winning in 4 straight games here, they could wrap it all up this 4th and deciding game right back here at the Olympic Auditorium this Saturday night. And also, we got really something coming up. They're hot. They're about as hot as they can be, Jim. In the meantime, we're going to have a report and find out from Bill Hoppy-Hop whether they can win it in 4 straight, what he thinks about it. Bill Hoppy-Hop, trackside.
Well, the Thunderbirds are hot, but again, I'm a pessimist about that 4 straight business. I think it makes the T-Birds a little bit too optimistic. However, speaking of hot, E.G. Miller is really boiling all over the place. The Roller Game Commission tonight announced that he must give Ronnie Raines a rematch for the disputed match races that they previously skated against each other. If you'll recall, in the first race, E.G. Miller was losing. He went down in the dressing room and hid. The second race, he is losing. Georgia Haas handed him some powder. He temporarily blinded Psycho Raines, and that was declared no contest. Now, the commission says he must meet him again. There will be no shenanigans. It must be done in the next 30 days. We'd like to know how Georgia Haas fits into this picture. Next week, we'll give you a full report about Miss Haas right here at halftime. In the meantime, we've got a game to go, and let's get back to Dick and Jim and find out about it.
Well, thank you, Hoppy. And it sure sounds like E.G. Miller, old Humpty Dumpty, is ready to make a big fall. But what about his friend Georgia Haas? Sure sounds like she's getting a little bit of hot water there, and I hope Hoppy has a full report for us next Saturday. I'll tell you, that is going to be one big, big mess with her and Debbie Hilden.
Well, it looks like, Jim, in the meantime, El Fabuloso is having all kinds of monumental World Series problems. He better get his act together. The Thunderbirds going to completely annihilate him. We got all kinds of second half action going up for you. Hang on, we'll be right back.
I'm fast, I'm pretty, and can't possibly be beat.
Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
Do you know you might be spending double what you need to for your life insurance? Have a pencil ready. In a moment, I'll give you a toll-free number you can call to find out. American Republic Insurance Company has a breakthrough buying system for purchasing low-cost, high-quality term life insurance. By using an 800 number, you now buy direct from the company. These are policies that can also save you hundreds of dollars a year. Want proof? $30 a month, just $1 a day, buys $369,000 of coverage for a man age 35. Also, for $1 a day, a woman age 35 can buy $430,000 of coverage. And these rates are guaranteed level for 10 years. Get your free no-obligation custom quote and full information. Call the company direct at 1-800-890-0096. American Republic, the direct-to-you way to buy the most term life insurance at a truly low cost. Stop overspending. Call this toll-free number today, 1-800-890-0096.
I love watching classic sports.
Yeah, the fights are awesome. That's what we're talking about. The old Ali and Frazier.
The home run derby is my favorite.
The tennis and
the old-time football games.
I'll tell you right now, I'm hooked on it. Just turn on the classics. It's awesome.
Everybody's talking about it. It's just something you cannot miss at all.
I'm hooked on Classic Sports Network. Watch it every night.
I love classic sports.
The Chicago Hawks out in front in the second World Series game here at the Olympic Auditorium. And immediately, Willie Miller moving out of there. Number 6, the Thunderbirds, the colors, the white, the gold, and the green. Up in front, Tricky Mickey McEwen wearing the customary jersey, number 30. And looking to go right on by her. Tricky Mickey McEwen looking like she's idle. Is Skinny Bitty Gwen Miller moving out. Jimmy Brown goes over the top. Right over Gail Bowers. And look out, the gal's moving. Jimmy was just going through again. Oh, what a number. This gal can skate. Oh, real high. 4 Thunderbird points in the Thunderbird coming in front. 49-46. What a game.
That is what I say that this team is magnificent. When you look at Skinny Minnie Miller, watch this. As she comes around for those 4 points,
it's done again.
No, instant replay doesn't count. 4 more T-Bird points.
We can pretend, you know. And win this game, right?
Not a bad idea, though.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you, though, speaking of 4, I'm looking for the T-Birds to go 4 straight. Dick, they have really been looking good. I think they might, if they win tonight, that's 2. And they've got Saturday night as the 4th game. We'll find out. It's Lydia Saturday night here at the Olympics.
Well, John Hall says they're going to win it 4 straight. That's right. He has predicted 4 straight for the Thunderbirds. You know what El Fabuloso thinks about that. In the meantime, the gal in front is Sherry Simpson. Simpson wearing jersey number 31. The colors the black and the orange. They're in the dark uniforms for those that have the black and white tellies. And we got plenty of action here at the Olympic Auditorium. And look at this gal, Sherry Simpson, trying to get all the way through the pack and get by the likes of Winnie Miller, number 6. 8 minutes and 3 seconds remaining to get help back there now from Peggy Fowler. Fowler on one side, on the other side, Sherry Simpson. They just rough up Winnie Miller. Who they get to now? Coley Morrell, the back of the pack, up to Debbie Hill, Debbie Garvey, Patsy Delgado. The gal just skating by all of them. Get them all in there. Coley's still the last remaining skate up in front. Grabs the jersey, hits her to the backside, picks up points. How many points? I believe she might have got a grand slam in there. Did she get 5? That's right, 5 big points in there. And now the Chicago Hawks out in front, 51 to 49 is up on the far side. Coley Morrell really getting it on with one of the gals, Jim.
Oh, and it's in a Donnybrook. This Chicago Hawks team is confused. I'll tell you, they have been struck because look at this, Coley Morrell, the little gal. I'll tell you, she's a tiger, Dick. She's been out there going, look at
The Manhattan Beach policeman went down for the 10 count.
Well, as he says it's no skin off his head.
I hope he doesn't have to rough up many of them. I hope he doesn't have to rough up many of them like that anywhere else. In the meantime, the Thunderbirds have a lot of regulars out here, and on Saturday night, Mr. Bob Johnson, he's a T-Bird fan. He likes to say to all his friends and all the fans of the T-Birds, he hails from Hollywood. Bob Johnson, T-Bird, say hello to you. All right, run some action once again, and you have to break out for the back of the pack, and this is what the little gal, Cheryl Lynch, is trying to do. Work her way for the back of the pack, get up the front, and go ahead and score. That's right, those are the jammers. You see the ones with the helmets on have to go all the way around and pass one of the players on the opposing team if they want to score. Debbie Heldon. Oh, Debbie Heldon takes Cheryl Lynch over there. You see that sign? Go, T-Birds, go. He says, hi, Bob Johnson. That's Bob Johnson himself. Who does he think he is, anyway? That guy's something else. Okay, nothing like toot your own horn. Look out! Georgia Haas. That gal, what's she doing, Jim? There's no love lost between these two.
I'll tell you, there's been a big thing brewing between Georgia Haas and Debbie Heldon for a long time.
One of these days, Jim.
Well, I'll tell you, Georgia Haas is not in good shape with the commission right now. Debbie Heldon and Georgia Haas is complaining that Debbie Heldon has been doing a lot of complaining to the commission. That's where it all roots.
Look at all the abuse she's getting. What do you expect to get some clown like that? Look at her. Along with El Fabuloso. This is, you know, besides all this rhetoric going on here, this is a very important game. The second game, the tie could go one way or another.
Look at those carnations that El Fabuloso has. He thinks he's going to win tonight. The T-Birds say they're going to go in 4 straight. It could end Saturday night, Dick. Right here at the Olympics.
Well, that's for sure. In the meantime, we have 5 minutes, 6 seconds remaining, 51 to 49. The Hawks out in front of the Los Angeles Thunderbirds. That's right. This is the second game of the World Series action. And right now, the Thunderbirds want to win in 4 straight. They won in San Bernardino. And now they want to win this game. Look at this gal, goal number 35, Gail Bowers. Bowers losing all that weight, looking fine down there. Doing a number. Pretty gal. Gail Bowers, she's a happy gal now. Skating strong for the Chicago Hawks team. A very strong team. And look out. Block hard by down there. I got 2 laps on the backside in a hurry. But the Hawks score 4 more points. 4 points to the referee, Terry Toledo. Increase their lead to 55. 55 to 49. Down to Jim McInerney trackside.
Well, the pretty Debbie Heldon is here with me, and Debbie, Georgia Haas has been complaining that you've been going to the commission and complaining about her so much that the commission is on her back now.
Hey, Jim, that is not true. I didn't go to the commission. It was the T-Bird team who went to the commission to complain about Georgia. Anybody
T-Birds can make that stick. Dick Holloway, take this one away.
Well, we're back to the action here once again. The Olympic Auditorium in downtown Los Angeles. That's right, all kinds of action here. But this is World Series action. There's the chicken. The fans brought that chicken down one more time. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. 55-49. The Hawks out in front. The Silvers need to get it going. That's right. Here's Skinny Bitty Gwen Miller. She'd like to pick up some points right now for a fine young attorney, Steve Moore, and Mr. Rourke out there. Rourke and Moore in Beverly Hills. Now, what's the 1 point? That's right. Well, 1 point. That's all she can get. That's better than nothing. Well, you know, these attorneys, they'll take anything out there. Look at him, El Fabuloso throwing the bouquets out.
Yeah, throwing those flowers out because he doesn't have anything to look forward for because the T-Birds are going to win game number 2, John Hall says. Look at throwing those flowers out. Kissing him, too. Oh, I hope they all throw him back.
El Fabuloso, he's something else. He never stops out there. There's the chicken. This chicken's really cute out there, Jim. You gotta like it.
I understand that chicken is going to be down here for every World Series game. Well, with the Hawks 55, the T-Birds 50, 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Here we go.
A 5-point lead for the Chicago Hawks. See what Miguel's going to do now. Number 34, way out in front of the pack was Emily Marzola. Emily Marzola, the right chest to that. Debbie held it on the move. She's got energy. Energy plus. And again, the down to it. She takes Marzola out of there. That's right, Emily Marzola. And now she has to get by the likes of Sherry Simpson. Simpson, a good skater. Tough gal, a fine competitor with 31, trying to get the likes of Debbie Helden out of there. Skinny Bitty moving. Back up the backside as Debbie Garvin watches along with Donna Young, but it's up to Debbie Helden to get by the likes of the tough skater Sherry Simpson. Simpson is leaning back on her. Now Debbie Helden, but look at her, come Georgia Haas. What's Georgia Haas doing up there, Jim? I'm getting sick and tired of this. These two continually fighting. One more literary point, but Jim, how much can this gal take of this?
I don't know. These two girls have been going at each other's throats all year long. It hasn't been like this. Up until recently, these two girls were at least able to walk out on the same track. Look at how these two girls are going after each other's throats. It's amazing. I'll tell you, Dick, these two have just been going after each other like crazy.
Well, that's for sure. This has really been a Donnybrook of a game. You can see the cameraman on our fine VIP video crew taking all the action here in El Fabuloso with the Chicago Hawks. He got one! Oh, I can feel that one all the way up there. And he grinned to chagrin, that's for sure. And look at him. He's going to have a little tummy ache, Jim. A little tummy ache.
Woo! It's through the elbow. 55 seconds remaining. Not much time left on the clock. 51 for the T-Birds, 55 for the Hawks.
All right, there's a lot of fives on that scoreboard right now. With less than 50 seconds remaining, 55-51, there's 43 seconds remaining. Here comes 35. Gail Bowers alongside the Compton Flash in there. Donna Young. Donna Young with 36 seconds remaining on the move now. This gal's assistant bank manager, I understand. Donna Young, quite good in the banking business. But look out this time. The dancer's on the move. And look at her go. Soul Train and all. Donna Young. Hit by the likes of Victor McHugh. Maybe tough in there. The gal with 19 seconds remaining. She gets to this time. Blocks her out hard. Referee Terry Toledo, but look out. Oh, she's popping. Oh, Gail Bowers. Gail didn't like that shot one bit. And Terry Toledo says 4. 4 Thunderbird points. And they tie up for less than 4 seconds remaining here.
Well, Donna Young is doing a great job. We have team number 2 of the World Series still in. Up in the air, we'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Bob Nystrom, a 4-time Stanley Cup winner with the New York Islanders, and you're watching Classic Sports Network.
What would you pay to look like $1 million?
Time Life presents The Firm, the exercise videos that are making firm believers out of people.
I had shape and definition in my waist, and my butt looks like a 19-year-old after 3 kids.
Other tapes are a waste of money. The only tapes that work on the market today are the Firm tapes.
Aerobics will burn fat, but the combination of weights and aerobics can burn 3 times more fat. Only The Firm combines weights with aerobics in every exercise. The Firm guarantees visible results in 10 sessions.
They said, give us 10 tries and we'll make a difference. It really did. Immediately I started seeing results.
Call now for Volume 1 of The Firm for just $9.99 and get the 20 Questions About Fitness video free. Every few weeks, receive a new Firm video, so call now.
It's a whole new body. The Firm tapes give you a whole new body.
To order the firm and receive your free 20 questions about fitness video, call 1-800-839-4433 or send $9.99 plus $3.49 shipping and handling to the firm, P.O. Box 910, Department 44, Gardnerville, Nevada, 89410.
We didn't know the political implications at that time because it wasn't our concern. We were only concerned with the idea of being there to be able to represent our nation in those Olympic Games.
I'm very glad to have won the 100 meters in the Olympic Games here in Berlin. A very beautiful place and a very beautiful setting. The competition was grand, and we're very glad to come out on top.
We did not think in terms of the implications that it might lead to in later years. We have people here that are bringing forth the injustices of our country to certain peoples of this land. Not only the black, the Indian, the Mexican-American, but I do believe that there's a way, and there's a time, and there's a place to express that.
That's right. Everyone's important momentum is up in this game. It's up for grabs now. The second game of the World Series. Canada's Thunderbirds win 4 straight. John Hall says they can. The score all net up at 55 apiece. You know, last week, Jim, I got the opportunity to go out to Ventura to see a big game there. And a lot of fans there. Like, hi, Darby. Lots of love from Eric and Darby Smith. That's right. They're up there in Ventura. Best of love to all of New York from Bob and Em and Oxnard. Do they like the likes of a Ralphie Valadares and a Ronnie Raines? That's for sure. And look at Ronnie. You look at how the skates of this young man. He better be careful. Number 31, Newcomer. That's all it took. Is Ronnie Cycle Raines took him out of there. That's right. Ronnie Cycle Raines. And now he's going to go by Harold Jackson. One time his protege, but Harold Jackson, really an excellent skater. And you see two of the best here. The national speed skating champion, 3-time bank champion. Ronnie Cycle Raines gets blocked out. There comes Harold back at him again. A hard block. Knocks the Cycle down hard. But Ronnie Raines will be back. Oh, look at this! Oh, he flew to the air with the greatest of ease.
I'll tell you, Dick, we call this guy the Psycho. We call him Psycho. Oh, the bigger they are, the harder they fall.
And he fell.
Ronnie Raines, we call him the Psycho. You want to know why? Watch this. You'll see. That's how easy it is.
Oh, me, oh, my.
He's crazy. Look at him riding his back. This Psycho's showing what he's all made of.
Well, look at Ronnie Raines. He is something else. The crowd loves him. They love his antics. They love his skating. They love his ability. They love his charisma. They like when he gets out there and talks to the fans and signs those autographs.
You know what, Dick?
Look at him. Look at him.
He's a dancer, too. You didn't know he could disco, did you?
He's doing the boogaloo.
Disco there, disco there.
Well, you know, he went out and bought a pair of suede shoes, too, right? One suede the left and one suede the right. He's something else. Oh, yeah. That's right. Well, I'm Ventura, Buffalo Painter. She says, hi, Mom, back in Connecticut. The Thunderbirds, they go everywhere. Your town, our town, and we're going to be here at the Olympic Auditorium again Saturday night, that's for sure. And, oh, it's really something. The Thunderbirds are something else. That's Psycho. He's a game and a half all by himself, Jimmy. 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining, 56 to 55. The Thunderbirds on this front. By 1 split point, the man coming over the back of the pack is Neil Chambers. Back to greet him with the redhead, the carrot top, Danny Holly. And Ronnie Milton one time is Ted Maroff back there also to help him. Maroff wearing jersey number 34. Terrible Teddy. And look out, it's number 34. Ted Maroff flanking him up in there. Solidly built young man. A good skater. And look at him go by Ralphie Valadares. Ralphie wasn't even cracked as the man Chambers coming right on through with 7:07 remaining. 2 seconds. Oh, and that's all. And how many Neil Chambers? 5, 6, 7. He picked up a bunch in there. 8 points. The man picked up 8 points. And now they are out for once again the Hawks. 63 to 56 with 6:53 remaining.
Well, Ronnie Raines and Neil Chambers go at it, Dick. I've got a little bit of food for thought for you. If the Seabirds win here tonight, do you think that the Seabirds can actually go on and win the 3rd game and in the 4th game right back here this Saturday night at the Olympic Auditorium? Do you think that'll be the first time in history that any team has ever gone 4 straight and won the World Series championship? Do you think the Seabirds can?
Jim, I'll give you a definite yes. I believe they'll have the momentum. I think they have everything going for them, and they definitely will win.
I'll tell you, Dick,
Watch classic sports. It's the greatest of all time.
My cable company just picked it up. You'll come over.
Cool.
And this time, bring chips.
I'm calling my cable company. I gotta get classic sports, and you can't stop me.
Classic sports, classic sports.
Yes, we just got classic sports. We got it.
Hey, all these guys get it.
So don't leave your friends out in the cold. Spread the word about Classic Sports Network today.
Hi there, everybody. I'm Mark Scott saying, welcome to Home Run Derby.
Play ball!
It's a home run or nothing here on Home Run Derby. If it's in the strike zone, you'd better swing at it.
Right!
In my day. Well, keep on swinging. That's the game. Fellas, today you're going for the big money. Holy Toledo. Man, he belted that ball. So long until tomorrow. Hank, you're making a career out of Home Run Derby.
Fire up!
Home Run Derby swings for the fences every Sunday on Classic Sports.
4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. The Hawks out in front, 63-56. Been some kind of game, that's right. Remember, this Saturday night, the fourth game will be right here at the Olympic Auditorium. The fourth game of the World Series. It may be the night the Thunderbirds wrap it all up, so you want to be here and see it. They want to win this one. It'll be 2 straight. And go right on through. Look at it, Sam the man coming out. There's Sammy Washington. Can he pick up points in there? Look out, not this time. It's number 31. Neil Chambers gets him out of there. And Sam was trying to pick up some points for Susan K. Lamb. She's 5 years old today. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Susan. Sam won't do it this time. He'll try again. Now look out. It's up to Riley again. And Riley doing a number. Danny Riley. Look out. Riley blocks him again too hard. They'll be calling on Stephen Morgan out there in Beverly Hills. Now look out. Armed robberies are going right on through here. Just doing it to him. Look at the man coming. He's motivating now. Chambers. He's going to get by, or no, he's going to get by the cycle. The cycle puts up that helmet. Gold T-bird hat he's got out there. And look out what's going to do to the man pulling down. Oh, blocked him out and right over the top. Flying out of there, but the man picked up 4 more points. 4 more strikes, and the lead now is increased as we see Jim McInerney trackside with Georgia Haas.
Well, Georgia Haas is here with me, and Georgia is a part of the commission's office, and I understand that you're in a little bit of hot water with the commission, Georgia.
Hot water. This is nothing but vicious rumors spread about that Patsy Hilden who loves to complain to the commissioner. This city is not large enough for Hilden and I am going to get rid of her if it's the last thing I do. And believe me, it's going to be Hilden. I'll guarantee you it will not be me.
Well, we'll find out exactly what happens. Dick, all the way back to you.
Well, you heard her, Georgia Haas. She said she's going to get rid of her. It's the last thing she does. Well, I think it's going to be the last thing she does. But we'll find out. We'll find out. 67-56. From Chula Vista all the way here tonight. That's right. Gustavo and Chris Frederick of Frederick Shoes in Chula Vista. Enjoying the game. Living down San Diego for our big World Series game also. And right now, it's Danny Riley, the carrot top out in front, the big man. And look out, it's Tim Maroff got him. Maroff back to the backside, tries to take advantage of his agility in there. As Riley, the big man, hits the deck. The bank track made a baseline approximately 80 yards in circumference. And Riley took a little dent in there. A little dent in that track. Just Dick Holloway calling for a lot of Jim McInerney and over he goes high. Maroff, he got his shot. Back up here, that's down hard. But Maroff, he'll be back up there. Riley. Oh, what I love to see him do with his bonsai belly bump. See, Riley coming again. And is he thinking about it? Run? Nope, I guess not. Riley leaps up. And jumps out of a bonsai belly drop. That's something else.
Dick, you know, if the T-Birds win here tonight, that's 2 games straight. No team has ever won 4 games straight in a World Series championship like this. They could do it. It is feasible. And they could end it Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium, but it's never been done. And talking about El Fabuloso, a very, very strong man, and his team, which is a hand-picked team.
John Hall has stated to me and all the fans at the Olympic Auditorium that the Thunderbirds will win in 4 straight, and I've got to believe it, Jim.
Not much time.
Okay, 38 seconds to go here in the skating turn. The 6th skating turn. He goes for all people over there. It's a long Riley cycle race. Give me a leg whip. And here we go. Look out. The steamer, the train, the 515 coming into the terminal. Here he comes.
Randy White, and you're watching Classic Sports Network.
Back when I came into the league in '65, the AFL had been about 5 years old then. And the thing that sticks with me to this day was that we were second rate. We were conceived as second-rate football team. At times it was second rate. I remember going to Denver. I left Alabama, you know, new locker rooms and stuff. We go out to play Denver, dirt floors in the locker room. Dirt floors. I'm talking about real dirt. And Buffalo, we go up to Buffalo to play. There's 3 working showers for the whole team. I mean, there was some crazy things going on. It wasn't as first rate as it is today, but the most important thing was proving that we were on a caliber with the guys across town, or even better.
Watch NFL Night at the Classics Wednesday nights at 8 Eastern, only on Classic Sports Network.
Classic Sports delivers the fight cards you don't want to miss. A ringside seat to the world's largest library of boxing's best fights. From lightweights to heavyweights, you don't have to wait, because every night is fight night. The Night at the Fights, weeknights on Classic Sports.
All right, the gals, look at it. Cheryl Lynch, along with Tricky McCune, Sherry Simpson, Peggy Fowler, Evelyn Arzola, Gail Bowers, lovely Laura Jean, not here tonight, watching somewhere, wishing she could be here. All right, it's Colleen Morrell, the little gal from Australia, living in Glendale, mother of 3 beautiful children. Woo! Look at the gal, doing it. And look out, they're getting it up on her now, one on one side and one on the other. They're going to whip her out of here one way or another, but she gets out of it. So look at all gets out of it in here. Gail Bowers back under again, along with Tricky McCune up in front. Sherry Simpson. Simpson, now there's 3 of them. Middle lane chase. So it's coming out. I don't know what she's going to do. Skinny Minnie with Miller. She's sweeping. She's going to leap her lead, and she misses. Oh! Somebody kind of right across the face of the head in there. One gal, Arzola, down hard. Got that skate right in the head. Sits down on that track. She didn't take a bust in the face there. And look out. 4 big points. And look wiped out.
Skinny Millie.
Watch his skate. Watch his skate. Get that girl on the side of the head there, Jim. Evelyn Arzola. Now, if she doesn't come out with a big black eye there, she is really lucky. And did not cut her. I'm amazed, Jim.
Well, I'll tell you, Skinny Minnie Miller is looking to win this game. She is going all out to have Colleen Morrell scoot by there to pick up some points, because the T-Birds really need to pick up the points. The score is 71 for the Hawks, the T-Birds 60. This is game number 2 of the World Series. And Dick, this is the game that you say John Hall says he can do it in 4 straight. Well, look at the score, Dick. I don't know.
This is a momentum game. One of the 2 teams that wins this game is either going to be tied up, or the Thunderbirds are going to have that 2-zip lead. And the Thunderbirds can win this one, Jim. I really believe they'll have the momentum, dismantle this team, and go on and show off that they're going to be a disorganized team. By the time they get a chance to recruit, it's going to be all over. I hope you're right, Dick. We'll find out. Not a whole lot of time remaining. Patsy Delletto. She did one point for herself in there. That's not a whole lot, but it's better than nothing.
Well, that made a big difference right there, picking up 4 points.
It was momentum. It was only 1 point, Jim, but it was momentum. You understand? If you can keep it going, it's going to build and build and build. And the Thunderbirds have done this for years and years. Look, they have the finest skaters. Not only do they have the best looking skaters, they have the finest, the best. And when you get all the best together, you remain world champions. And that's what they are, and that's what they're going to be.
Don't count out the trickery of El Fabuloso, though. He's got everything up his sleeve. He's got enough room in his sleeve to do it, too, I'll tell you.
Uh-oh, look out. Here's
the
another.
Chicken is watching on.
Another thing the Thunderbirds got. They got fan appeal in the eyes of a chicken like you've never seen before. They almost peer right into that nose in there. Look at her go. Go. Continuing there with 56 seconds remaining here is Colleen Morrell. It's Colleen Morrell on the front back. She's hit for the backside. They want to get down and young out there. You see the score, 71 to 61 here. A 10-point lead for the Chicago Hawks with 6:40 remaining.
melts out. But Saturday night, it could, if you're right, if they win here tonight, they could end it right here. Saturday night could be the last game. It's never been done. No team has ever won 4 games straight in the World Series, Dick. The score now, 71 for the Hawks, 64 for the T-Birds. You still think they can pick up momentum and do it, win this game, not only this game, the 3rd game, and then the 4th game right back here at the Olympics?
Well, I've never seen you know, a lot of things happen, Jim, but they just happen. And I believe the Thunderbirds can do it. All right, 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here. 71 to 64 the score. The Thunderbirds got a little bit of momentum going now. And it's up to this gal, Debbie Hellman. Sherry Simpson right there to try to stop her. Contrasting styles to the bigger gal. The quicker gal, the stronger gal. The stronger gal prevails this time. The taller gal. It's knocked away. Here comes Georgia Haas. Georgia Haas attacking her again. Georgia Haas, what an emphasis, trying to abuse Debbie Hellman. As Debbie said, she wasn't the one that said that. The entire team did. And Debbie Hellman should be coming back under again, but Georgia Haas has an advantage now with no skates on there. Fighting, kicking, scratching, you name it in there. And when Debbie Hellman gets a chance to get at this gal someday, sometime, somewhere, it's going to be a Donnybrook. And right now, 5 more points picked up for the Hawks. And that spells trouble. Well, how about Ralph Bivalaris and Jim McInerney? What do they have to say?
Well, the T-Birds are skating real hot, Ralphie. They could possibly go on to win 4 games straight. It comes right back here. 79 for Olympic Auditorium. Do you think the T-Birds are skating hot enough to go 4 games straight?
Jim, the way we're skating right now, we're so hot that we're hotter than hot. We're as hot as the sun. The way John Hall is directing the team, Danny Riley, Ronnie Raines, all the girls are skating fantastic. I think we feel great. We have the feeling. I used to look forward to skating in San Diego and winning a game over there and coming right back here next Saturday and wrap it all up in 4 straight.
Well, as I say, I hope the T-Birds can do it. 4 games straight. They come away back to you.
That's right, Ralph Bivalaris. You tell them like it is down there. 76 to 64. The Thunderbirds losing right now by 12 points to the Chicago Hawks. It's a team. But the Thunderbirds have said it's on our record that they're going to win in 4 straight. Well, we'll find out here. They've won 1. They're going to win tonight. Gail Bowers alongside Coley Morrell. Morrell just lost her helmet there, but lost it accidentally. Now Gail Bowers knocks down the likes of Coley Morrell. Is Morrell down? It's up to Gail Bowers to pick up points for the Hawks. The Hawks with a big lead. The Thunderbirds, they have the capability, the comeback power they've always sustained for many, many years. That's why they're world champions they are. They show it. They resemble it. They've got everything. And look now, little Coley Morrell taking the likes of Gail Bowers, knocking over the side, hold on her skate, just hangs over the side. With 3:35 remaining to Stick Holloway along with Jim McInerney. Up here in the Bird's Nest, watching all the action.
I'll tell you, Ralphie Bivalaris sure has the confidence that they're going to go 4 straight, come right back here Saturday night and win it all. Well, I don't know. I'd like to talk to El Fabuloso to find out what he has to say, because I think he's got a lot of tricks up his sleeve. All the fans are watching El Fabuloso, I'll tell you, because this man is the one to watch. The T-Birds have to keep a very close eye on this guy, because the Hawks are out ahead by
there he is. That's the man you're talking about, El Fabuloso, Jim. And it's ironic how this guy just seems to be everywhere every time we talk about him, like he hears it.
He's got a 12-point advantage right now, Dick.
I think he's got a 12-point IQ, too, Jim.
I agree.
76 to 64. 2:44 remaining. And the Thunderbirds like to say a special hello to John Hepkins, Doug Sanchez. To the middle. Goes by Gail Bowers. Up in front, Cheryl Lynch. You gonna get by Lynch? Goes. Look out. Blocked hard in there. Good vicious block by Sherry Simpson. 1 more Thunderbird point. Slowly but surely, they're picking up the points. Slowly but surely. Now, can they do it? Can they get them all in there? They need some go, go, go. They need some razzmatazz.
Dick, the game is almost over. There's 1 more period left for the men, but watch Skinny Minnie. This gal here, she's the reason that the T-Bird gals might be able to do it. Look at this. Gotcha!
A little karate chop to the midsection.
Skinny Minnie knows what she's doing. A minute 45 seconds remaining. The score 65 for the T-Birds, 76 for the Hawks. Here they go. King and the others pull this one out, Dick.
But we'll find out very shortly as we see El Fabuloso there. El Fabuloso's going to do it. He's the kind of guy out there. This team, he's got them all jazzed up right now. They're liable to do anything. And the score 76 to 6.
What are people saying about Classic Sports Network? 3 words. It's about time.
4, 3, 2, Michael fires.
It's about the time Hank broke the Babes record.
It's gone! It's 7:15!
Or the time Mary Lou was perfect. Classic Sports Network, the only network that brings you the greatest sports stories and personalities of all time, all the time.
America's most experienced home improvement business has a new name. Century 21 Home Improvements. Trust us to add value and beauty to your home with energy-efficient windows.
Now you can save money and time on new, energy-efficient, easy-to-clean windows from Century 21 Home Improvements.
And there's never been a better time to buy. Make no payments and pay no interest for 6 months. Call to schedule a free in-home consultation. Look at this. Old windows like yours, they stick, and they're hard to clean. They leak, too.
But our windows virtually eliminate air leaks.
See this ordinary window frame? It's screwed together. Leaks like a sieve. Think of that as wasted heat, wasted air conditioning, wasted dollars.
Now, our fusion welded frame. With these premium custom-fit windows, there are no leaks, so you'll save on energy bills.
And you'll save time, too, with windows that slide up with ease and tilt in for easy cleaning. Plus, the vinyl frames are warranted against rotting, cracking, and peeling.
That means you'll never have to scrape or paint again. Our windows are custom sized before they reach your home, so no window spaces are left open overnight. That means installation is a snap in any season.
Make no payments and pay no interest for 6 months. Call to schedule a free in-home consultation.
We offer convenient financing, and the price we quote is the price you pay. No surprises.
Century 21 Home Improvement will always be there for you. You can count on it.
Call now for a free in-home consultation. Our advice is on the house. Then make no payments and pay no interest for 6 months. This limited time offer won't last, so don't wait. Call now. Call 1-800-795-4488. That's 1-800-795-4488.
You're watching Classic Sports Network.
Out there. Well, I hope, Jim, in this final skating period, the fine VIP video crew will get a chance to get a shot of that great group of stompers that entertained at halftime. Great group of kids here in the audience. All kinds of action in the Olympic Auditorium on a Saturday night. It's up to Sam the man Washington with a Thunderbirds down by 1. They want to win 4 straight, but they have to win this game, the second one, if they want to get to number 3 and number 4. That's for sure. First things first, and there's El Fabuloso. Here comes Sam the man. He's up there. Straight. Straight in motion. Fantastic. High energy fun. Oh, yeah. Woo. Olympic Auditorium on a Saturday night. Where else can you be? And as you said, Jim, if the Thunderbirds do win this game tonight, and if they win in San Diego Friday night, they'll be right back here this Saturday night. They can wrap it all up right here.
4 games straight, though, Dick.
They're going to do it.
Never done it.
Like I said, nobody's ever walked on the moon before.
Dick, I hope you don't mind me playing the devil's advocate today, but I think that you're talking about something that's never been done.
Look at that. Look at that smile. Look at that goatee bird hat. Look at the fans here. Look at the chickens. All stations are go for the Thunderbirds. All stations go, Jim. All right, 8 minutes and 1 second remaining. 80-76. Thunderbirds out in front by 4. The clock continues to move as Jim McInerney alongside of me here. Wondering, can they do it or will they do it? We'll find out. 7:46 remaining on the clock. The clock ticking away in favor now of the Thunderbirds. stocking it to them here tonight as they run out of time. And how many points? The referee put it here. Terry Toledo, 6 points. And now, out is from the Hawks by 2.
Well, all right, Dick, I've got to say this. If the T-Birds can pull this one out tonight and win, that means that the third game they've got to win, and then the fourth game right back here. If they win tonight, I can guarantee that every T-Bird fan that will be here. Every fan that is now will be forever. They will be here. If they said T-Birds don't for 4 straight, that would be something. That ticket will be here. You know the ticket will be here.
Jim, I'll give you a quart of milk if you can say that again.
Hell no. All right. You know what I mean.
80 the score. I believe, folks, what he was trying to say is the chicken this Saturday night. The Thunderbirds, if they win this game and win in San Diego, have a chance to wrap it all up, and you'll all want to be here to see it. Everybody, get out of the hospital, convalescent home, everywhere. Come to this game and see them wrap it up, because I thoroughly believe that they're going to wrap it up here tonight and win this game and go right on through. 4 straight. Just like the man Frank Cabocino, the great veteran of many years in the racetrack, 20 years in the racetrack. Frank Cabocino on the news, foul 48 remaining. It's all the time left in this game. A 2-point Hawks lead, 82-80. But John Hall says victory. We'll find out if John Hall prognosticated, predicated, just you name it. He's going to say they're going to win this game. We'll find out if he's true, false, or otherwise. Frank Cabocino. Did he tie it up? That's right, he tied it up. He picked up 3 points. Ahead by 1. And you see 82 and Jim, the Thunderbirds will not be headed down. Not be headed.
Well, we're going to find out what happens with 5 minutes remaining. We'll be right back with the rest of the game.
Number 1, Notre Dame takes its 23-game winning streak to Miami's stomping grounds. Will the streak survive the oncoming hurricane? The Fighting Irish against the courage of the Canes. Watch Phi Beta Classics as Notre Dame battles Miami in a 1989 thriller Friday night at 7 Eastern, only on Classic Sports Network.
What's your favorite sports memory? Is it Reggie's 3 homers in Game 6? Or Michael's 6 3-pointers in Game 1? Or maybe it was the time you and your dad had the best seats in the house. We want to hear your favorite sports memory and maybe put it on the air. Classic Sports Network invites you to send us your favorite memory. Whether it was a moment seen around the world or one that only you know about. Write it down on a postcard, mail it in, and if we tell your story, you get star billing and a Classic Sports logo t-shirt. Send your favorite memory to Favorite Sports Memories, Classic Sports Network, Murray Hill Station, P.O. Box 1830, New York, New York, 10156. Because if it meant something to you, it means something to us.
This famous sports figure will be the subject of our bonus biography round on the Sports Challenge.
This is our one-question category on the classics in sport. Here we go with the clues.
Classic. Classic.
When a player knows the answer, he should press his button to sound his buzzer. Would you like to try again? Sorry, time is up. The answer, classic sport.
Catch Sports Challenge Sunday only on Classic Sports Network.
4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this game here. The 8th and final skating period. The Thunderbirds 83, the Chicago Hawks 82. St. Louis on up to Henry Kentucky, the Tricky McKill. It's up to Ronnie Psycho Reyes. The Colts. This man through Sammy Washington. Or look out for number 32 in there, Victor Edmond. Redmond also for the Chicago Hawks, the fine skater. He's got Sam the man tied up, and he's got the advantage here as he throws his way down trackside for a big interview. We'll be there shortly. In the meantime, we got all kinds of action going on. Jim McInerney and El Fabuloso. Look at that psycho. Jim McInerney.
Well, here we go. El Fabuloso, you've got game number 2 right here. Can you win it? Are you going to be able to beat the Beavers? They got a lot of momentum going.
There's no momentum going whatsoever as far as I'm concerned. The Thunderbirds are dead. They are dead, dead, dead. There is no momentum going whatsoever. The Thunderbirds are dead. There is no momentum going whatsoever. There is no way they can beat the Chicago Hawks now. They may have gotten kicked in the head. I may have gotten pushed around.
I'll tell you what, this man, let the Thunderbirds can be 2 minutes, 52 seconds remaining. Dick Hallway takes up the lead.
Well, Jim, you better believe it. It's time to get excited with the Hawks out in front, 85-83. I'm sure the Hawk people are excited, but the Thunderbirds, they're the ones that are going to get excited. They're down by 2 points. With 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. And the likes of a guy like Mary Claire out there in Ventura. Got that junior Peter to get them all revved up, wants to keep them going. And we can hear you yelling all the way everywhere, all around the country for the Thunderbirds. The man called off that jam. They got out in front of the Hawks. A smart move and called that jam off. The Thunderbirds didn't get the opportunity to get out there and score, but they're going to have to do it. There's only 2 minutes and 18 seconds on that clock, Jim. With a score 85-83, the Thunderbirds got to get something motivated here.
Well, I don't know. I'll tell you what. Fabulous doesn't sound very convincing. He didn't do anything. I don't think he's convinced. The Beavers got the momentum now. Maybe they can pull this one out, Dick.
Well, they better do it in there with 2 minutes remaining. The Thunderbirds got to get it going. They're down by 2 points. We'll see what happens now. Who are they going to set up? Once again, the Hawks. The Hawks had it from. They call that jam off in there for pulling. He got it for pulling through in there. Number 35, Raymond Rose. That's right, Raymond Rose. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. But the tactics are working for the Hawks. The Hawks are taking the delay of the clock style game here, Jim.
Well, with 1 minute and 37 seconds, you think they can do that every single time the jams are right? Let's find out, because there's only 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in this game number 2 of the World Series. 83 for the Beavers, 85 for the Hawks. Jim, got it raised. Get out there and time this time.
Well, remember, if they win this one, they got the 4th one coming up. Look how they can wrap it all up. So look out, it's Ronnie Second Race along with number 31, Neil Chambers on the far side fighting. 1 minute, 12 seconds. He throws it over the Psycho. The Psycho. But the score remains 85-83. And there he goes. The Psycho says it's get him a toe. Toe. He's revved up. The fans are revved up. They want to win this game. There's less than a minute remaining. 58, 57, 56 seconds remaining in the Thunderbirds tip. They want to win this game. They want to win it 2 in a row. They want to win 3. They want to win 4. They want to bring home that unprecedented championship. That's right. They want to be the first history-making team to win it 4 straight. And look out. They come through with that. Jerry Williams. Here comes Danny Riley, the steamroller. The 5:15 coming into town. That's right. He's rolling in. He's getting up ahead of steam. He's up to 15 miles an hour. Up to 20. Up to 25. Up to 30. They're down by 2. They're tearing them apart. 23 seconds. Here comes Riley. 20 seconds remaining. The Thunderbirds, they're going to win it, folks. That's right. They're going to win the second game. I believe they got enough points right now. 14 seconds remaining. He's got Harold Jackson. All the way over the top. Out of the arena. The 6 seconds remaining. Harold Jackson is flying out of our head for 2 seconds. The Thunderbirds win the second game of the World Series. It's 5. So hang on. We'll be right back with a big rock of interview. The Thunderbirds win the second game of the World Series. 88-85. Hang on. We'll be right back. Johnson swings. Deep drive. Left center field. Cleon Jones. Base back. He has the room. Warning track. He's got it. The Mets have done it. The amazing Mets win the series 4 games to 1. Shea Stadium celebrates.
You're watching Classic Sports Network. Once-in-a-lifetime moments, 24 hours a day. This New Year's, don't wait for the ball to drop to start the madness. Classic Sports Network presents the New Year's edition of Classic Madness, a celebration of the greatest college basketball games in NCAA history. Punch it up. Bring out the old and bring in the new with Classic Madness. It all starts Tuesday at noon and runs throughout New Year's Day, only on Classic Sports Network. watching Classic Sports Network.
Well, the T-Birds are well on their road to a victory for 4 games straight. It looks like it might be possible, Ralphie. You just won your 2nd game straight. You go on now for your 3rd game, and it could end up right back here at the Olympic Auditorium Saturday night for 4 games straight. The T-Birds could walk home with a championship. Do you think it could be possible?
I think so, Jim. I think that the first 2 are always the hardest ones, you know. And I think that after winning 2 with the way that we feel right now, the T-Birds are so hot right now that we have the momentum going. I'd like to go to San Diego and win the 3rd game there and come back here to the Olympic and wrap it up. 4 straight, like we've been saying all along. John Hall he has been talking to us. We've been training. The girls' field are in top condition. Riley and Raines and the whole team. And not only that, but I think that the fans have a lot to do with it. I think they've been behind us all the way, and I think we'd like to win it for them in 4 straight. That would really be a sweet 1979. Really.
It sure would. And it would be something that no team has ever done, and I must say, watching the team, they sure sounded excited. They were, as they left the track, they were all excited. They won game number 2. They're going on to game number 3 with an excited momentum, and they might just be able to pull it off 4 straight games.
4 straight. I don't take nothing away from Waters' team. I think they're very strong. I think he's got the boys really riled up also, but, you know, I think we have a better team.
Well, Ralphie, good luck to you. And game number 3, let's hope so. And game number 4, right back here at the Olympic Auditorium. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
Well, we have Miss Georgia Haas. Miss Georgia Haas, first off, I'd like to say that Debbie Hilden and you have been really going at it all night long, all year long for that matter. And what's happening between you and Debbie Hilden?
Debbie Hilden is a vicious liar. All she does is run to the commissioner over trifle little things that are nothing. I have had it with that girl. I am going to take no more abuse out of her for all of this crap that she has pulled on me. I'm going to run her out of town. If it's the last thing I do, it will either be her or I, and I guarantee you T-Bird fans out there, it will not be me. Your precious Debbie is going to be going out on a stretcher.
You know,
I guarantee you, I've had it.
Well, we'll see, but what about it, El Fabulous? You've already won. You've already lost 2 games now.
The T-Birds have lost no game so far. I'll tell you something. I promised my fans out there in television land that I would win them 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We are going to win them. We have lost the 1st, we have lost the 2nd, but we are going to win the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th game, and we are going to be the world champions, just the way I promised you people. I told you we were going to be world champions, and we are going to be the world champions. We are number 1. We are the championship team. We should have been champions last year, and we're going to be champions this year.
Well, that's a lot of confidence from a man that just lost 2 games. The T-Birds say that they're going to go with 4 straight. We'll find out what happens Saturday night right back here at the Olympic Auditorium. Dick Holloway, take it.
Well, if you listen to El Fabuloso, if he can skate as good as he can talk, he'll win a championship every year. Remember, Saturday night to be back here. That could possibly be the final game. It's going to be a big one, that's for sure. The Thunderbirds and the Chicago Hawks. So be here for the big one. We'll all see you. Bye-bye.